She is a production blue. She lays light brown eggs. This is Lucy. She is a black Australorp. She lays light brown eggs. This is June. She is a Wheaton Moran, the only one that we have that has the feathered feet, and she lays dark brown eggs. This is Baby. She is an olive egger. She lays green eggs, and when she's excited, she has a little crown of feathers right here that she can raise up. This is Amy. She is an Americana. She lays blue eggs. This is Cammie. She is a gold-laced Wyandotte. Gold lace, you can see that she's got some different colors on her feathers that are laced with the borders being a different color. And she's gold, and she has a rose